Hey, what's going on, everyone? I got a quick question for you. Do you think GameStop will it sustain $30? Because right now, the last trade occurred at $29 and a nickel. We're going to give you all the update on the stock prediction right now because the market in GameStop is hitting this seller's pocket that we talked about right here. Okay, so we did do a price prediction. We did do a price prediction in this market for GameStop on like November 8th or the 9th. And I was expecting the market to go higher and went up here to this pocket of selling. And now it's coming back down. Okay, so can we sustain the market right there around 30 bucks? Because if it is, then we can look for the market in GameStop continue its upward movement. This stock is bullish. It is trending and it is trending higher. So the idea right now is that yes, we do suspect that price is going to hold $30. Okay, now I must caution you though, because when you see this market right here from yesterday's trading price X, well, not yesterday, but the last trading day, which was on the 29th, the market in GameStop ended down 6%. This goes in combination with what happened right here on the 26th of November to where we got the first hint that sellers are hitting the market right here in this pocket of selling. Okay, so this is what we're supposed to see. We're supposed to see selling entering the market in GameStop at sellers' pockets. But do you think the buyers really want the market? Because if they do, then the selling that occurred over the last 3 days in GameStop is not going to stop the buyers from moving the market. It's not going to stop them. So let's go ahead and extend, first of all, the overall trend in GameStop. This is another reason why we can still follow the premise that the market is still bullish, because this trend hasn't been broken. Now we can delete this pocket of selling right here though, because the sellers did not impact the buyers there. We can get rid of this price prediction. 15.8% right here occurred on the 20th of November. We could get rid of that now. Okay. Now, this area right here, we had to break this area down, this bar, to see, okay, where's the selling at? Because it looked like it's coming in around $32. So let's see if we can move this to a smaller time frame to determine where is that selling. Put on a 30-minute real quick. Okay, so it does look like that is the area that those sellers are hitting the market and GameStop. Okay. Now, outside of this area right here, our next target would be up there around $38 in GameStop. Okay. I don't see another pocket of selling in between these two pockets of selling there. Now let's look at GameStop on the 2. Okay, so the 2-day time frame does look weak. Yes, it is weak. Now, matter of fact, we need to go ahead and create, just like we did the sellers pockets, we're going to go ahead and create buyers pockets. Areas to where market supported price. Okay. So it looked like from out the gate, price is weak. Just gotta give it to you real. It looks weak. We're even getting a sell signal right there on the 1-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. This is an indication of weakness right there. That last 3-hour price bar to conclude the week. Here it is on the 5. You can see it. There is selling hitting the market in GameStop. So maybe price will test this $27.25 buyer's pocket, or it may come all the way down to 26 and test that pocket. We need to see the market at least hold one of those two pockets in order for us to maintain that this stock is still bullish. We have to see that. Okay. Here it is on the 2. Here it is on the 3. I don't like the 3. Look at the market in GameStop on the 3. The volume was heavier than the last 2 3-day price bars. And look at where the market closed. Look at where the price closed. If this market was still bullish, it would not close that way. Here it is on the 4. GameStop on the 5. Here it is on the week. Look at this. This is definitely weak right there. Someone is selling this stock. I would say over the last 2 weeks. I would say 3 weeks. Someone is really trying to offload this stock. Here it is on the 2. GameStop on the 3. Let me move this down. Let me move this out the way. Okay. So this is what it looks like on the 3. Here it is on the 5 and the monthly chart. So all in all, it doesn't look like this market is massively bullish right now. The only way that you can tell if this stock is going to continue to go higher is noticing what happens when the market comes down to these two buyers pockets. So that's what I think is about to go off in the market in GameStop, is that the market's going to test either this pocket of buying there or this second one. Okay, and it's going to test this trend. We really need to see the market stay above this trend line for us to really know that this stock is still bullish. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. I'm looking for price initially to go lower. First target is going to be at this first pocket of buying, either at the high or the low of it. At the low is at $27.20, 6.17% there. Next target would be like $25.70, 11.41% there. So we're just going to hold it right there. All right, we're just going to see for this upcoming trading week whether or not the market still wants to go up. And I'm talking about the buyers. The buyers are going to have to front up the money. If they want us to see this market become more bullish, we need to see them front up the money and move this market up. Because as of right now, the sellers is telling me that they the one that really want it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.